Students of class 6, today we will discuss the chapter of honeysuckle, lesson number 8, a game of chance. Have you ever won anything in a a shop, lucky dip, or other such game of chance? Do you like such games? In this story, we will read about a game that is of chance. First of all, I will tell you summary of this story. The Eid fair lasted many days in Rashi's village every year. Tradesmen sold all kinds of goods there. Rashi's uncle took him and Bhaiya, who is a domestic servant, to the fair. A few of his uncle's friends met him. They wished him to spend some time with them. Uncle asked Rashid and Bhaiya to look around the fair in his absence. He warned them neither to buy anything nor to go too far. The uncle knew that there were many shopkeepers in the fair who cheated the gullible. Rashid and Nannu reached the lucky shop. The shop was called Lucky Shop because the owner of the shop wanted everybody to pay 50 paisa and try his luck. An old man won a beautiful clock. He sold the clock back to the shopkeeper for 15 rupees. He went away highly pleased. A boy won a comb, a fountain pen, a wristwatch, and a table lamp. The boy was happy. He had returned the items and had received a good deal of cash. Bhaiya encouraged Rashid to try his luck. He played many games and lost all his money. Both of them returned to the place where Rashid's uncle had left them. Rashid was very upset. In the hope of winning a big prize, he had lost all his money. Rashid's uncle returned soon after. Rashid was looking upset. Bhaiya told the uncle what had happened. Rashid's uncle smiled and petted him. He bought a beautiful umbrella, biscuits, sweets, and some other gifts for Rashid. Then they returned home. Rashid's uncle told him that the lucky shop man had played a trick on him. He said that the old man and the boy who won costly things were the friends of the shopkeeper. He advised Rashid to forget about the incident and his foolishness. So, students, I think what is the summary of the story you understood? Yes, every year on the occasion of chance of Eid, the festival of Muslims, there was a fair in our village. There was a fair in their village and occasion was of Eid. Eid was celebrated only one day, but the fair lasted many days. The fair, as you know, fair is Mela, lasted for many days and Eid was of one day. Tradesmen, businessmen from far and wide came with all kinds of goods to sell. Now all the tradesmen came there to sell their items. You could buy anything from a small pin to a big buffalo. You can purchase anything from the fair. Uncle took me to the fair. Bhaiya, who worked for us at home, came with us. Bhaiya also came with them to the fair. There was a big crowd at the fair. Uncle was leading us through the crowd when he met a few of his friends. They wanted him to spend some time with them. Now, there was a big crowd at the fair and uncle was there, and there he met some of his friends, and now they wanted him to spend some time with them. Uncle asked me whether I would like to look around the fair with Bhaiya till he came back. Now, uncle asked him if he wanted to take any round in the fair, he can take. I was happy to do that because he also wanted to take the round in the fair. Uncle warned me Warned means cautioned me not to buy anything, nor to go far out while he was away. Uncle asked him not to buy anything and not to go too far. I promised that I would wait for him. Bhaiya and I went from shop to shop. There were many things I would have liked to buy, but I waited for uncle to return. There are so many things he wanted to buy, but he didn't buy because uncle asked him not to buy anything. Then we came to what was called the lucky shop. The shopkeeper was neither young nor old. He was of middle age. He seemed neither too smart nor too lazy. Neither he was smart nor too lazy. He wanted everybody to try their luck. There were discs on the table with numbers from 1 to 10 facing down. All you had to do was to pay 50 paisa. Now, if anybody want to play the game, he had to pay 50 paisa and he would pick up 6 discs and up the numbers of the disc and find the total. The article marked with that number was yours. An old man paid 50 paisa and he selected 6 discs. He added the numbers and found the total was 15, and the article marked on that was a beautiful clock. It was given to him, but the old man did not want a clock, so the shopkeeper obliged him. Obliged means favored him by buying it back for 15 rupees. The old man went away very pleased and he became happy. Now students, thank you.